Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. Today we're in the garage and we're actually going to have another little bit of fun like we've been doing. As you guys know, we just introduced the 26 Ram Cummins on the channel. And if you're new to the channel, welcome aboard. Head over to the channel. We have how-to videos, reviews, and everything like that. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Helps a small channel out. But I also I'm always looking. I mean, like we did with the 16 Ram for my brother-in-law. He had bought it. We kind of just brought it back to its glory. Well, I actually found one of these. This is one of the last body on frame SUVs that was to replace the Jimmy. It's a Trailblazer, and I found it one owner, 87,000 miles, and I just got it home. Let's take a look. So this is just going to be something to play with and clean up, polish, make beautiful. I'm probably not going to keep it just because I got enough stuff in here. We have the 4.2 liter inline six. I think that was called the Alpha engine series. There was a 3.5 in the Colorado as an inline 5. Now, a lot of people will bang on that and say that they weren't very good engines. But to be honest with you, I had a Chevy Colorado with that engine, and it was actually really good. And it ended up having like 189,000 miles out when my wife and I traded that off. So I take it for what it's worth. Every single manufacturer can have some problems. It all comes down to maintenance. So these people did 3,000 mile maintenances and had some fun. Let's check out the inside. So what's kind of cool about this thing is obviously this is why I want to bring it back to its glory. It has a lot of dirt, but look at these seats. I mean, we got manual lumbar, manual adjustments, no buttons on the steering wheel, but we have all of our texture here. No scratches in the gauges, all of our paint here on all of our joysticks, simple click on lights. We actually have auto for that year. Interesting. Dirty, dingy, but we're going to have some fun. We're going to go through this truck, talk about a few things with it on the channel. Unfortunately, they swapped out the original head unit. I'd rather have the original head unit. And of course, my nemesis, dog hair. Dog hair is in here. It's all underneath the seats and stuff. But in the back here, I just think it's kind of cool that for that era, it actually had assisted heat vents. Just kind of uncommon. I mean, this little guy really isn't much bigger than a Jimmy, although the body stature is. It's bigger, bulkier looking. And I'll say that the 4.3 Vortec was probably my favorite six-cylinder that Chevy ever had, whether it was in a half-ton pickup or a S10. Just really love that engine. It was so tough. And I just think it's in such good condition. I got it for a great deal. I'm going to do some window tint on it. And we're just going to go through and do some how-to videos, some maintenance things on this for some people. But I just want to show you guys that these deals are out there. And like I said, I'll have this up for sale once I get it all done. Unfortunately, hit the defroster yesterday and cracked it. But other than that, I mean, it's hard to find a garage find like one of these. And whether people loved them or hate them, I always wanted one because I love the look of the front end on this thing. I think it's a good-looking front, kind of nostalgic Chevy. We got our Cabela's wind bug screen, whatever the heck those things are called from that era, non-smoker, just overall pretty fun, guys. So we're going to be doing this along with the Ram. So it's just going to be kind of a cool little play on things back in. I mean, look at this thing, dudes. This gentleman even actually had he actually towed a trailer with this, but he was big enough, had brakes. So it's kind of crazy. I probably wouldn't tow anything with this that needed that, but it's going to be a fun little ditty. So if you like how-to videos, guys, you like reviews, you like RV stuff, we do it on our channel. If you like hearing about places we like to go when we go camping, it's on the channel. So I welcome everybody aboard, everybody that's been here all along. Thank you so much for being here. And guys, as always, catch you on the next one.